Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Justin from Beat Auto Garage. The car I'm going to show you guys today is an off-road kei car we recently built based on the Suzuki Jimny platform. And we also released the fake news about this car on the internet, which caused a great disturbance in China for the last few days. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys about this car, and I will tell you about that fake news story. I don't know how many of you guys are fans of the small size off-road vehicle like the Suzuki Jimny, but it has been popular in China for a decade. The only problem about this car in China is that it's a little bit overpriced. A used Jimny can be sold over 60,000 US dollars easily, about 4 times the price in Japan. The reason behind this is that Suzuki quit the Chinese market. Only a small amount of J74 was imported by private buyers. People are gouging up the price. Maybe the only solution for this problem is that a Chinese car manufacturer can make one of these, but until now, there's no such a thing. So I thought maybe we need to push them a little bit. We came up with this idea. Why don't we build one and post it online to show the manufacturer there's a huge demand for this type of car. Maybe they will think about it after watching our videos, right? The most popular off-road vehicle in China right now is the Tank 300 from the Great Wall Motor. It's a mid-size 4x4 with a 2-liter turbocharged engine and selling for about 28,000 US dollars. Just for reference, the starting price for the Jeep Wrangler in China is about 70,000 US dollars. The GWM can sell over 10,000 of Tank 300 in a single month. So our plan was building a kei car size tank and name it Tank 100. Building a chassis is not a big deal for us. The problem is it's a little bit costly to build a body from the scratch. Since we only built one piece of this, it's not worth developing a whole set of the stamping dies for this. We built this one based on the Suzuki Jimny platform. Yes, we bought a used one for 60,000 US dollars. First, in order to make it look like a Tank 300, we 3D printed a small size tank's grille, as well as Tank 300's headlight and the tail light. We also put our logo on the grille instead of the tank's logo to avoid any legal issues. Then we thought about what a customer would want most if he's going to buy an off-road kei car for real. What's the coolest thing about the Jeep and the Bronco? The answer is convertible. We carted out the roof of the Jimny just like what Johansson did to his G-Wagon. Heartbreaking, but it's worth trying. Right after we finished building this car, I have to say it's way beyond my expectation. From that point, I'm pretty sure it will be popular on the internet. Here's a little bit of the background. The topic of Tank 100 has been popular since the day Tank 300 came out. A bunch of people on the internet photoshopped the tank's face on the Jimny's picture, and saying the GWM will launch the Tank 100 soon. The same as we did, but the difference is we actually built one. We thought since we have gone this far, maybe we should leak a fake news as well. In order to make the real fake news, we have to make people believe that the GWM will make one of this for real. So we had a meeting in our meeting room, asked everyone in our studio to wear the white and the red shirts just like the GWM uniform, and we played a fake classified PowerPoint, took a picture from outside the meeting room like a head camera. Then we released the picture on the internet from an unknown account and just waiting for it to be sprayed. Luckily, the plan went well as we expected. People reposted again and again. Even our competitor car media companies posted a few breaking news on their platforms. The GWM official account also posted an announcement saying that they had no plan for the off-road kei car. Those will all happen in one single day. We posted our video the second day. Our competitor all suddenly knew what was going on and deleted their news one by one. Let's go back to our topic. Can this car really do off-roading? Look at those marks on the fenders and the tires. It's a real off-road vehicle with solid axle. So let's go get some fun. I was planning to take this car to some real off-road stuff like the desert or something. But you know what? It's currently locked down due to the pandemic, so we can only take this car to some off-road test place like this. Since our Tank 100 is based on the Suzuki Jimny, there's no doubt it's born to be good at off-roading. The majority of tests in this quarter can't even be called challenges. But there was one. We have no differential lockers on this car and the electrical LSD didn't work well. It's a little bit tough to go through terrain like this. But since this is an off-road kei car, we have to use the advantage of the size. Tank 100 can go through the trail by using only half of the width. Problem solved. Alright, this is today's video. If you guys are interested in our video, please subscribe to our channel. We are the car video studio of China's largest car media company, Beat Auto. We build project cars in our video as well as some China brand car reviews. See you guys next time.